that for you? I'll hold this for you. How's that? There. Let's go up there and see about eggs.
my
Oh, look.
God.
I've been away for 2 days. There, I hold you.
So how many chicken you have?
There are only 3 in there.
So-
They lay 4 eggs a day between the 3 chickens. One of them lays 2.
You serious?
Yeah.
Go easy, please. Go easy.
Very gentle.
The
Very
children
gentle.
are collecting eggs.
There you go.
I've never heard something like that.
You know, the only
One
chicken we ever
chicken.
had that laid 2. And it's amazing because if you and I had something that big inside
Please
us,
go easy,
we'd need
please.
surgery. And that they do that every day is amazing.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh my God. Every
You're going to get it? Let's see, is there any near the water? And I'm going to take that water out and get them some fresh water. Is there any in there? You got them all, did you? You got them all.
10
Good
eggs.
job.
From
So that's
3 chicken for
in
2 days.
2.5 days.
2.5
I was
days.
gone 2.5
Hold
days.
it
Thank you.
carefully.
Can you put that on the front step for me, way over there?
Yeah, go easy.
Thank you. What? I was going to change their water, yeah. Get them some fresh water.
Are they silky chicken? No. They are not silky chicken because
No, they're
there
not
are
silkies.
no, there are no fur on their legs.
They're Polish hens.
Polish hen. Okay, these are Polish hen. Okay, Abdurrahman, please. হাতটা মুছেন আব্বা গ্রাসে হাতটা একটু মুছে নেন পুপ ছিল গ্রাসে মুছেন It's okay. Yeah. King German Shepherd.
Yeah, oh, she's a good dog.
Yeah, only 4 years old. Very healthy.
She is.
All your
He
animals
was
are
asking
very
who
healthy.
looks after the horses, who grooms them,
It's
and I said, well,
okay.
they pretty much groom themselves.
Oh yeah, nobody.
Because they're...
Hey, Chloe.
Don't run, please. If you run,
No, don't rush. She won't chase them anyway because she's never seen anybody run from her before.
please, Abdulaziz.
She's trying to give you a kiss. She's just trying to give you a kiss. Hey, Chloe, come here.
She's like, where are they going?
What is her name?
Her name's Chloe.
Chloe.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's going to be 5.
She's Chloe. Will be 5 in September. Okay.
She likes
And
kids
this
because
is
she's used
Clara.
to having grandchildren and stuff around her, so
Okay.
she likes the kids.
And this is Bailey.
Billy, maybe if you take a couple of the older kids in the tractor for a ride, I'll take Mom or Dad.
It's fun, Abba. Please go. You go, please.
Bunny, sit right here.
Go, please.
Does the little girl want to go?
No.
Yeah, she'll go. Look.
Okay.
There we
Hi.
are. He's on top of the game.
All right, you sit right here. Look. You sit down right there.
Now he
And
gonna go.
I'll take. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure you can take all 3?
Yeah.
Just don't touch any of those buttons. All right, don't touch the buttons.
Sit
I'll
down,
get him to
please.
stand here when I shut the door.
Okay.
All right, listen. You gotta
Stand right
stand over here. Put your hand on here.
He will only go
It's
slow.
okay. It's okay.
You don't have to sit outside. You can go right in the kitchen and I'll take them for a drive first. Then I come back, I'll take you for a drive. Okay. How's that?
You take
I'm
her
gonna take
first.
her on the bike.
Yeah.
Is that all right?
Yeah.
You okay? You sure nothing on her? You are welcome to go and sit down.
No, it's okay. I'm enjoying here. It's okay.
She'll be happy to stay.
We came for a farm tour. John Deere. Children are going with Billy.
Bye, Dad. Bye, Dad. We're having her. That's what we say in Cape Breton. We're having her.
Good luck. গাড়ির দোয়া পড়ো সুবহানাল্লাযী সাক্কালানা হাযা ওয়া মা কুন্না লাহু মুকরিনিন وإنا إلى ربنا لمنقلبون.
Follow us up in the van. You could, because the road is good.
I love to walk.
Okay. Well,
I'm
I
getting
will
lazy, so
come, and I'll come back and take
no,
you
no,
for a
please go. Yeah.
Down around underneath is an underground room that was
Okay.
built by the soldiers in the Second World War. They
Okay.
lived up at the top of the hill. So they built an underground. I call it
Okay.
the echo room. I take
Echo
the kids
room.
in there and then they scream
Okay.
and they echo. And on rainy days, I take my grandchildren in there and they paint it all different colors.
Okay.
So it's been painted many colors through the years.
There are raspberry over there, I can
Yes,
see.
there's lots of raspberries,
Okay.
blackberries, and blueberries here. You coming with me, yeah? Come with me. That's good.
They will cut the grass or the hay very soon. Atlantic Ocean, just over there. They have over 350 acres. That means about 700 biga in Bangladesh. Big farm. All these are hay for the horses.
I was just looking to see what strawberries were up
Oh.
or whatever. I was saying to your wife that back there, that whole left-hand side, that was my garden.
Okay.